Hello friends, welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download Form 16 or 16A on TDS Traces portal, but in this video generally we will be focusing on Form 16A. For this quarter 3, we have deducted TDS on so and so parties, we deposited TDS, and we filed TDS returns also. We deducted TDS, we deposited TDS, we already filed TDS returns. Let me show you once. On income tax portal, once if you log in with a TAN number, go to e-file, income tax forms, view filed forms. Here forms as per Income Tax Act 2025, if you file, that will display here. And because we are practicing now for quarter 3 and quarter 4, that belongs to the last financial year, so I go to 1961 because up to the financial year 25-26 the old income tax will be applicable. So I just go there, and already 6 filings till date. I just wanted to look for quarter 3. So click on this R number. Here is this R number, which is also known as token number. You first need to copy this in order to issue Form 16. First you need to copy paste this number. I can say this number as a token number or R number. This is useful for us. Let me explain you very soon how and where this is going to use. Yeah. So once you go to income tax portal, you just require to collect your R number by clicking on the button view. Here you can collect the R number. Once you collect the R number, you can close income tax portal. Now in order to download this TDS certificate, you need to visit traces.tdscpc.gov.in. once again, traces.tdscpc.gov.in, and here once again log in with the same TAN number of the applicant. I'm just using the business owner's TAN number. And so once log into income tax portal, by default you see income tax portal as per 2025 requirements, but we are going to download these for financial year 25-26. So we need to go to compliances under Income Tax Act 1961. Go to this page and proceed. Now you will be landing on the portal. So you see this portal. Here, if you wanted to download Form 16, first go to downloads, and here is option Form 16 for salaries, 16A for other than salaries. So first you need to check as per what section you deducted TDS. Okay, if it is other than salary, you can just go to downloads and select Form 16A. In Form 16A for the financial year 25-26 for quarter 3, form type is other than salary, so 26Q, and here I can add the PAN numbers. First I am adding the PAN number of die cutting works. Even though PAN card repeated for multiple times, here you just mention only the unique PAN numbers to whom you want to issue the TDS certificate, that is other than salary. So in this quarter 3 there is only 2 parties, so I have given only 2 PAN numbers, and click on the button go. By the time you click on the button go, you need to provide some more information. So before I come here, I already went to income tax portal. I have already copied the token number. That number I need to enter. So I have already noted down this token number. I'm just copying this token number and paste. Along with these, you also need to explain at least one challan related information for the validation purposes. Any one challan you need to explain here: challan BSN number, date of deposit, PAN number, amount. Any one challan you need to explain. So I'll take the example to explain, that is die cutting. Yeah. So this is a PAN number. This is a PAN number. Total amount of TDS deposited is 1225 rupees. And here I will explain the respective BSR code and receipt number. The BSR code here is 000. The BSR code is always 7 digit. If you see only 4 digit, assume that 0002271. 0002271. That is total 7 digit. Next, date on which tax is deposited, that is 4th November 2025. So 04-NOE November 2025. Then challan serial number 48912, 48912, and challan amount 1225. Like this, you need to explain at least one challan. Once you explain this, click on the button proceed, click on the button proceed, and OK. Now you will be getting this kind of information. Again, click on the button proceed with the transaction. Now request for form 16A has been submitted. This is a request number, so I will also note down here request number. This request number I will use by going to download requested downloads. So here you just enter the requested number, click on the button go in order to download the form 16 or 16A. Just now we have submitted, so it is going to show only submitted. Very soon let me take you to view all. So now it is going to, for quarter 2 also request is submitted, for quarter 3 also request is submitted. Very soon you will be getting information to download form 16. Okay. Yeah. So after half an hour, yeah, 1 hour, or by next day, once again I'm going to log into TDS Traces portal with by providing same username and password. So once you log into TDS Traces portal, you see this kind of things and go to compliances under Income Tax Act 1961. Then click on the button proceed. You will be landing on old income tax portal, and there go to downloads. Now this time go to requested downloads. Under this requested downloads, you see the option to download form 16 or 16A zip file based on the request number. We already noted the requested number. You can use this requested number to download only that particular request forms 16 or 16A. If you wanted to view all the requests, then go to the button view all. So here I am showing you an example for quarter 3. So I select quarter 3 and click on the button HTTP download. Now this HTTP for quarter 3 is going to download. I am going to save this on downloads folder. I just click on the button save. I downloaded these form 16 for quarter 3. It is available in zip format. Keep it in zip format only. Yeah. If you unzip that, you will be getting that in a text document. Keep that in zip format. And once again go to downloads and go to requested downloads. Now we need to convert that zip into multiple PDFs. For that, you just go to the button downloads and again go to the button requested downloads. And see here, click here to download the utility. So I am just going to click on the button, click here to download the utility. First here I need to download the converter. The form 16 whatever I downloaded is currently available in which format? Is available in zip format. I need to convert these quarter 3 zip into multiple PDFs. For that what I need to download utility. And here it is asking me to confirm the captcha, submit. So there I can see form 16 part A, 16A traces PDF converter light version. So I'm just going to use this, and you also can go for form 16 part B. So I will just go to form 16 part A converter. I click on the button traces PDF converter. So I'm just going to download this. Once you download this, you need to extract this converter. The converter what you downloaded right now, it will be again available under same zip format. So first I downloaded form 16A. Now I downloaded converter. Converter currently available in which format? zip format. So first right click on this and go to WinRAR and extract. In your computer, if you don't have WinRAR application, you just go on Google and search for WinRAR and download and install WinRAR. WinRAR is a software that will use to zip and unzip the files and folders. So we already downloaded form 16a that is available in zip format. Now we downloaded converter that is also available in zip format. Keep form 16a in same zip format, but the converter what you downloaded is available in zip file. Right click on this, go to extract here. So that converter will come into normal application. So I can now delete this converter. Yeah, now these form 16a I need to import within this converter. I open these TDS traces. It is asking me select to form 16 or 16a zip file. That's the reason I told you keep that downloaded 16 or 16a in same zip file. Okay, click on the button browse. Go to these files are available under the downloads. Vedanta downloads. This is a form 16a zip. Okay. Now it is asking me the password for input file. The password is nothing but the TAN number. So use the deductor TAN number as a password. So I use the password and save to folder where you wanted to save. I wanted to save these on in my downloads under the name of, let's say, Q3 quarter 3 TDS certificates. So here I go to browse. Under downloads I selected Q3 certificates. Click on the button OK, and along with that you also can add your digital signature. If you have a DSC, please add that digital signature here, then click on the button proceed. Without adding any certificate, I'm just going to click on the button proceed. So without signature I will be getting this form 16a. Click on the button yes. Starting PDF generation. Okay. Now two PDFs generated successfully. Why two PDF generated successfully? Let me show you. In quarter 3 there are only two PAN numbers. In quarter 3 there are only two PAN numbers. So only two TDS certificates will be generated. Where I can go and check them, Q3 TDS certificates. Here I can see for two companies. So this is the TDS traces we generated out of the zip file, right? This is how we need to work with the TDS certifications. Thank you.